I've learned so much from blogging, from my standpoint, because thinking about it, the information I read from other people, whether it be true, it be factual, be either fun and either nonsense, but the idea that you can share your ideas through the web, which this was not available before, and look at the consequences of the development of information. This could begin as a way of flattening the world, in a sense that we can communicate ourselves with the global audience, so that we will be able to share our thoughts, our ideas, and our plans for our world. The only question here is when you are going to start a blog. I know from this batch, or from us, you are my colleagues, you have many ideas. So the only question here is when you are going to start a blog, because blogging is such a wonderful experience. And for that, our report ends. I would like to thank you for listening. We are now ready for your questions, if there are any.
May I request the presenters to state So we still have 30 minutes for the question and answer. Okay, before the rest of the groups will ask questions, let me clarify some points. And then also my comment for the presenters. I appreciate your opening the slides. So Arthur as the main character. So that's why when I came in, he was outside. I was wondering why he was outside. It was not only creative but also socially responsible. Although situated also society.
The idea there, Ma'am, was that the things that are happening in the world, there are things happening in the world. So there's a need for us to share from what we've seen from the world. Arthur was basically representing you, or us, as those who still don't have a clear idea from blogging. The idea was Arthur was going to enter this room in order to know what is going on. He wants to know how he should deliver his part of his knowledge to us, whatever it may be, and then he wants to join us in order to learn about blogging. That was the concept of it.
And then, so you are in executive position. So your style and technique was more on role playing, and you were part of the video also some of the characters. Mr. Gafar is upset.
Yes, ma'am.
And then there was also the vlogging style integrated in your presentation, I think. So from animators, for now,